We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can verify your ieGeek cam account for your, ieGeek security camera. So first you will need to launch the ieGeek cam app, then open the Me section here. You can either go into settings, or not settings, tap at your account here, then go into account verification. So the verification code has been sent to your email. So now open your mail-in inbox, copy this code, get back to the ieGeek app, paste it here. Can I even do that? Probably not. I mean, that's fine, I'll just manually enter it. It's 5877. And that'll be it. As you can see, the account has been verified successfully. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.